Hello student, how are you all? Hope you all are good and doing well. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor ARSS, MS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's session on job description and specification in food and beverage department. Objectives. What are the objectives of this session? By the end of this session, student will able to learn to understand what they are supposed to do if selected for that particular job opening. It can also clarify to whom they have to report to give a detailed information about any job. It also helps in selecting the most appropriate job vacancy. Introduction. Job description and job specification are two data as result in job analysis. Any job vacancy cannot be filled until and unless HR manager has these two sets of data. It is necessary to define them accurately in order to fit the right person at the right place and at the right time. This helps both employer and employee understand what exactly needs to delivered and how. Let us understand what is job description. It is a documented profile of job. It includes basic job related data that is useful to advertise specific job and attract a pool of talent. It is a legal document in case of any litigation between any employer and any employee. Job description includes the following category: job title, department, scope, responsible to, duties and responsibilities. Now let us understand what is job title. Job title is a designation. Department, to which department the person is going to report. What will be the further scope for this designation? Responsible to whom he is going to delegate the work, and duties and responsibility is what exact kind of work profile he is supposed to do. Restaurant manager. Restaurant manager will going to report to food and beverage manager, responsible to senior captain, and duties and responsibilities will be he is the managerial activities is going to perform. He is going to plan, organize, staffing, motivating and controlling. He is also responsible for preparing budget for a financial year, developing and implementing the sales promotional activities. He is responsible for menu planning for daily operation and special occasion. He is also responsible to handle guest complaints. You can see in this picture the profile of a restaurant manager, head waiter or senior captain. Now let us understand where he is going to report to: restaurant manager, responsible to captain and steward. His duties and responsibilities will be preparing a duty rota and fixing up day off for all his subordinates, inspecting a personal grooming of staff, maintaining the restaurant stock, preparing the daily restaurant sales report. The station waiter or as captain reports to senior captain, responsible to steward. Duties and responsibilities will be setting up the sideboard with the required item, collecting the food directly from the kitchen, serving food and beverages to customer, presenting bill in a folder and accepting payment. You can see here in this picture, junior station waiter or assistant report to steward and they are responsible to waiter. Duties and responsibilities will include assist the station waiter in service, provide the personalized service. Waiter, very important designation in restaurant, report to assistant steward, responsible to busboy. Duties and responsibilities will be many like cleaning and wiping the cutlery, crockery and glassware, keeping room service area clean, assisting room service stewards in service. You can see here in this picture the personal grooming and the full attire and attributes of personal staff, or you can say about the steward, apprenticeship and busboy. Now reports to waiter, duties and responsibility. Clearance work, he is going to perform it. Cleaning and wiping of service equipment. Carver, he is responsible for carving meat, poultry in the presence of guests. The wine waiter, report to bar manager. His duties and responsibilities will be taking the order and service of aperitifs, wine, cigar and cigarettes. Restaurant hostess. Restaurant hostess will be report to captain to warm welcome to guests, to escort and allot the table reservation to guests and hospitality to guests visiting restaurant. Job specification. What is job specification? A document that contains duties, responsibility, and all the tasks that constitute a job position. It specifies the parameters within which a job is done. It also contains report, relationship, working conditions, authorities, and control. Coordination with other department also it will spell status within a departmental hierarchy, equipment, what all kind of equipment and material to be used, and other information specific to the hotel. Now let us differentiate between a job description and job specification. Job description will include a job title, department, scope, responsible to, main duties and responsibility. Exactly what kind of job you are supposed to perform it and to whom it is going to be, which department it will be there and what will be your designation. Whereas in job specifications, we have the job title, which is very common. Then we have the sex, whether he is a female or male, what will be his age and what till age we require that person. Like normally in the advertisement you have seen the job specification is required, like we required a fresher whose age is 20 to 25. What kind of qualification they require, desirable qualification in technical terms, experience, qualities, and what kind of employment it is, like it is on contract base or on permanent job. So this is the major difference between the job description and job specification. Below mentioned references are given for this video. Thank you. If you have any kind of query or question, please let me know. Have a great time.